such a pleasure to see 300 plus powerful women together in one room. If this were a Zara sale, the mannequins would be stripped and crying. On behalf of Flow, I would like to extend a very warm welcome and heartfelt welcome to our past chairs, whose leadership and legacy continue to strengthen Flow. Our generous sponsors and gifting partners, thank you for championing this Flow sisterhood and helping us create experiences like today. And to the entire support system that stands with us, our teams, partners, and everyone who works behind the scenes. You are the reason that every event shines. We are so grateful. And all of you fabulous members who are the true heartbeat of Flow. A big round of applause for all of us. And before we dive into the fun, just a quick reminder to all of you. We request you to stay till the end of the event. It's a simple courtesy we owe to our incredible speaker of the afternoon. And of course, phones. Please keep them switched off or on silent mode, because if your phone rings, Suhani might just pick up the call without even touching it and then reveal your password to the whole audience. So let's show Suhani that Flow knows how to stay classy, attentive, and fully present. And while we speak of incredible women who lead Flow, today we are led by a chair who is truly a blend of vision, warmth, and unstoppable drive. A leader who believes in creating opportunities, celebrating women, and elevating every voice in this community. Deki has brought fresh and dynamic spirit to Flow, encouraging us to show up boldly, dream a little bigger, and laugh a little louder. Deki is the co-founder of Reward 360, a leading digital loyalty and engagement company across India, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. She has held leadership roles with Hewlett-Packard and Visa International in Singapore, Hong Kong, and Bangalore. As chairperson of FICCI Flow Bangalore, she is committed to championing women's leadership and entrepreneurship. Deki also drives impactful initiatives that support and empower the Tibetan community. And before we proceed, I would like to take a moment to acknowledge and thank our valued sponsors. Our platinum sponsors, Marzi. Marzi is a digital-first community for the urban unretired, empowering independent 50 to 70-year-olds in India to live their lives on their own terms. It's a vibrant, optimistic platform built on joy and hope, offering curated experiences, holistic well-being, and genuine connections to foster purpose and growth. Girija, please play the AV. I would now like to call on stage Alia Abreu, Chief Fulfillment Officer of BioPeak, who are also our platinum sponsors for the year, to say a few words about their organization. Alia.
Hi, good evening, everyone. It's nice to be back in a room full of vibrant women. My name is Alia, and I'm a Chief Fulfillment Officer at BioPeak. In just a short while, we're going to see Suhani Shah decode what your mind is thinking through intuition and observation. And at BioPeak, that's something we do with your body. We try to decode what your body might be hiding through various insights, but also the expertise of our team. I'm not going to take too much time, but I just want to take you through a little bit more about what we're trying to do here. Many of you have heard a doctor saying you have, your tests are normal, you are fine, but you don't feel fine. You feel the dips in energy, you feel the night sweats, you feel fatigue, even after sleeping. 8 hours. So what's really happening? What if there is a different way to look at health through a deeper, holistic way? And that's what we're trying to do here at BioPeak. Give you care that is rooted in data, diagnostics, but most importantly, deep listening. And a deep listening of yourselves as well. We then build a plan around you, not a general idea of you, but the ever-evolving version of you. We're also trying to build a data that is built more on South Asian repository, because that's actually what we are. We have to stop only looking at the West and understand that we are different, our biology is different, and so we have to give you a personalized plan that is also different. I'm going to very quickly take you through 2 case studies. We've had a lot of human stories over the last 6 months. We've met a lot of interesting people, just to help resonate what we're trying to do at BioPeak. So let's meet Ruchika, a 51-year-old event planner, planning events year-long, often feeling like her life is out of control. Late nights, long flights, long days, and then menopause hits. You're at the peak of your career, and you have the night sweats, the sleepless nights, energy crashes, and one day the blood report tells you that you're pre-diabetic. So what did we try to do at BioPeak? We gave her insights that she could actionably change. We gave her inputs. We helped her understand how her glucose was changing through the day, that having long gaps between your meals was not ideal for her energy, that she was going through hormonal shifts, and helping her balance out her hormones actually improved her energy. She saw a tremendous improvement in her HbA1c over 3 months, and she lost weight. And this was just 3 months later, giving her clarity, confidence, and giving her the power of health in her own hands. We then go to another case of a 41-year-old professional executive, late nights, long flights, red-eye flights, constant stress, a disrupted body rhythm that led to him having, the understanding that he might have to have his gallbladder removed. He refused surgery, came to us, and we got to the root of his issue by addressing his gut. And that actually gave him the ability to have a sustainable health journey over the last 3 months, and he continues to do so. So the power is in the data, the power is in the expertise, but the power is also in each of you to invest in your health. And on that note, we'd like to invite each of you to experience BioPeak. So each one of you here is invited to a 2-hour complimentary session at our clinic, where we will help to decode your health a little bit more, give you an insight into your body, give you an insight into your real-time understanding of stress, and of course end it with a little bit of recovery through lymphatic drainage. So I encourage each of you to visit our booth. Please sign up. You also have notes on your chairs. You just have to drop your numbers and names off to the booth, and we look forward to seeing you.
Girija AV.
Sir, this is your 350th trip. That's what an immigration officer in Bangalore once told me. I laughed, but my body didn't. Running multiple businesses, globetrotting, skipping meals, sleepless nights, high stress, back-to-back meetings. I was always on. I also carried the pain, even a slip disc, as if it was part of the job. Until one day, doctor said the word no one wants to hear. Surgery. I wasn't scared of surgery. I was scared of losing the life I had built. That's when I found BioPeak. They just didn't run tests and hand me a chart. They actually listened. Using the latest cutting-edge tech, they built a full picture of my biology, my movements, my habits, and patterns I would have never noticed. Their advanced tests and AI insights showed me what generic checkups never could. I discovered my cells weren't producing enough energy. My body wasn't using fat as fuel. My liver was so loaded that it was building toxins. Even the way I trained was messing up with the hormones in sleep. They detected what was really wrong. This wasn't a one-size-fits-all plan. They actually built me a blueprint so custom that it would only work for me. Small relevant shifts with significant impact. Meals timed to keep my energy stable. Movements blended into my day. not cramped at midnight. Recovery that finally felt like real recovery. With rest days built in, specialized medical therapies that helped me regenerate, not just push through. They even dedicated a health manager who guided me tweaking things throughout the journey. For the first time, it was like having my own coaching support, optimizing my performance, keeping me accountable. 2 years later, still no surgery. I'm still traveling, still leading, but with stamina and focus that I thought I had lost forever. Here is what I have learned. Your body hides its weakest links. And unless someone connects the dots, you will never see the full picture. For me, BioPeak did that. They found the root cause and the impact was life-changing.
Our silver sponsor for the year, somebody that I also bank with, DBS is a leading financial services group in Asia with a presence in 19 markets. Headquartered and listed in Singapore, DBS is in the three key Asian axes of growth: Greater China, Southeast Asia, and South Asia. DBS has been named World's Best Bank by Global Finance, World's Best Bank by Euromoney, and Global Bank of the Year by The Banker. In addition, DBS has been accorded the Safest Bank in Asia award by Global Finance for 16 consecutive years from 2009 to 2024. DBS Bank has been present in India for 30 years, opening its first office in Mumbai in 1994. DBS Bank Limited is the first among the large foreign banks in India and has a network of 500 plus branches in 19 Indian states. Girija, AV. And now coming to Meri Sundarta Ka Raz, Navratan. Navratan Jewelers, the other silver sponsor for the year, believes that traditions honor trust. Ageless craftsmanship celebrates culture, and every emotion finds reflection in expressions of exquisite elegance. At Navratan, the priceless love and trust received from their treasure trove of happiness, satisfied customers, fuels their commitment to put heart into every article meticulously designed and bringing them to a glittering, mesmerizing life. Girija, a video please.
Five lakh weddings, 3 generations, one timeless tradition. Navaratan, Bengaluru.
Our gifting partners for the year are Adhyam, Bartons, Folio, Hivado, Krishnakala, Mantri Malls, Mirasa, 1-8 Commune, Rare Sense by CKC, and Venture Studios, The Art of Photography. A big thank you to all our valued sponsors and gifting partners for your trust and partnership. Thank you. Okay, so while we wait for Suhani, I hope you all had a great time racking your minds with the engagement our lovely secretarial team had planned for all of y'all on WhatsApp. Okay, let's have a mini warm-up session. Are you all ready for a quick vibe check? I can't hear. So who came here to relax? Good, because Suhani won't let you. Who came here to be in awe and in shock? Me too. Who came to see if Suhani can guess their first crush? Come on, put some more hands up. Okay, who wants to know their partner's credit card PIN? Really? I think there are a lot of liars here. More hands up. Acha, how many of you really think that y'all are unguessable? Like Google also can't predict you. Suhani is testing her telepathy, huh? All those who have put your hands up, y'all will be called on stage. Okay, how many of y'all can really read your partner's or husband's minds? Chalo, aa jao. 4 people volunteer and come here. Come. Are, if you're putting your hands up, come here. Come, 4 volunteers who can read their partner's minds. Okay, how do y'all read your partner's minds? If y'all do read your partner's minds, there must be a way, na? Am I getting any volunteers? Come. Vasu. Okay, but how do you read it since you say you do read? Come. Listen, there's a prize involved, okay? Partner is partner, yeah. Okay, but we'll keep it very short, just a way that you know that you can read your husband or partner's mind. Come. I want to know how you read your partner's mind. Aja?
Just seeing his face is enough. I'm sure.
Okay, partner means someone I've lived with for the longest time, and I can read her mind by the tone of her voice, by how she looks at me, and how she doesn't look at me. So I just know what's happening, and I am 99% correct.
We have nothing else to say. She said it all. You hogger, you. That's how I say it.
Come on, if you all have anything different to share.
More often, it's like your body language, the eye contact, and avoiding the eye contact, and the movement, like what next. So I think I will understand if it is an attack or he's trying to suppress something. Thank you.
I think it's what both of them said, but also I think it's intuition, because you know the circumstance. And of course, sometimes you expect a response, but many times it is the opposite, because it's defense.
I think it's all of whatever everybody said, intuition plus the tone, etc. But for me, when he comes back from work and the way he looks at me or smiles, I just know what's happening.
Yeah, I think it's pretty much the same. Maybe I can add the way he calls out my name. Is it slow? Is it with some emotion? Or it's emotionless?
Very cool. Yo. It's
the same what everybody said, but I think so it is like when he's silent and he's just shut off, then I just come to know like, something is wrong. And when he's smiling and joking around, his sense of humor is very good. So if his sense of like, he's not joking around, I'll come to know something is wrong. So that is the way I come to know, and his face expression, obviously.
Thank you so much, everyone. A big round of applause for all of them who came up. So, okay, seriously, who here believes in mind reading? Mind reading. And who believes in mind reading after 3 drinks? Okay, one quick exercise. Shh. Turn to the woman next to you. Right, left, doesn't matter. Stare deep into her eyes. Come on. Silently, silently. Listen, telepathy doesn't work if you're chattering. Silently look into the woman's eyes next to you. Think of a gossip she already knows. Are jaldi. Jay, look into Aarti's eyes. Now, if she has smirked, that means you've guessed it right and your telepathy is working. Okay, one last thing before I call Suhani on stage. Very quickly, everybody close your eyes. Please close your eyes. I should see all of you all with closed eyes. For just 2 seconds. I can see some people with open eyes. Quickly think of a number between 5 and 7. 6. I made a room full of women think of the same thing. Everybody. Sorry. So while we wait for Suhani, can somebody get up and tell me what brought you here today? Something pulled you? Was it her online presence? You all have seen her reels. What is it that got you all here? Nami.
I've seen a lot of her on Insta, and I'm kind of intrigued as to what she does. And every time I saw her, I said, I wonder whether I'll ever get to meet her. And the moment this came up, I said, wow, it's come my way. Thank you.
Thank you, Nami. Captain Rupa, you want to come back up? Same thing. Anybody else? Have you all seen her? Is there somebody here who's never seen what she does? So this is going to be quite a treat for all of y'all. She is amazing. She's absolutely amazing. Ladies, today we are truly honored to have with us Suhani Shah, India's extraordinary mentalist and magician. Whether you've seen her online, on TV or live, she will leave you absolutely spellbound. Just remember, she can read minds, so be very careful what you're thinking of this afternoon. But before she walks up on stage, Suhani wants you to do something for her. Over to you, Suhani.
Thank you. Well, a very good evening, all of you. Namaste. Guys, before I walk on stage, I want you guys to do something for me. Are you guys ready for that? Lovely. As you can see, we've placed a box with some paper slips and pens right in front of the stage. I want some of you to get closer to the stage, pick up a paper slip. On that, I want you to write down anything you want. It could be your favorite holiday destination or something that you like to eat. It could be name of your favorite actor, actress, comedian, dancer, singer, or something more personal, like a childhood best friend's name, or even your ATM pins, guys, anything that you want. After that, you fold your paper slips and place it inside the box. I repeat, There are quite a few paper slips right in front of the stage with pens. Get one of those. Write, draw, scribble, anything you want. Fold the paper slip, place it inside the box. There are only 20 slips, so hurry up. Once this is over, I'll see you on stage. Thank you.
20 slips only. Hurry up, ladies. Ladies, write it, fold it, put it in the box. There's a box right there. Once you put it in the box, please go back to your seat. Only 20. Once you all have done the activity, please settle down, ladies. Thank you so much for doing the activity. Please settle down. Can we have the AV, please?
Oh my God, how did you know that?
कैसे किया ये?
How the heck did you do that?
She's right. Wow.
That's crazy. Look at this one.
Damn cool, man.
Put your hands together for Suhani Shah.
थाम के बैठो आए सुहानी सुहानी जादू की छड़ी घुमाए सुहानी सुहानी दिल की बात ये पढ़ ले भाई सुहानी सुहानी मैजिक मिस्ट्री और कहानी सुहानी सुहानी
Well, thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Namaste. इतने सुंदर चेहरे मेरे सामने. How am I going to focus? Wow. And they are intelligent minds also. Well, my name is Suhani Shah. Some people call me a magician. Some people call me a mentalist. Some people call me a therapist, a mind reader, a psychic, a psychological illusionist, an artist. You are free to call me whatever you want, in a good way. But my basic job is to hack into people's minds. Whatever. Or at least give an illusion of doing so. Yeah? Yeah? Skeptics in the audience. I see you. ऐसे कैसे कोई किसी का mind read कर सकता है? I know you. Well, thank you for doing this. So I saw you, some of you came over, you wrote down something on a piece of paper, you folded it, you placed it inside the box. That happened, right? Okay, I'll just set the context first. Guys, this is a very interactive. Okay, one second. Can you read? Is my mic volume okay for you guys or it's too much? It's too much, right? It's not too much. Okay, I understood. Wrong question. My mistake. Reduce the monitors for me. I don't want, it's too loud for me right now. Yeah. Okay. So, I'll just set the context, guys. This is a very interactive performance. I'll come into the audience. I'll call some of you on stage. It's a high level of engagement. It's a mentalism show. It cannot happen without people. It's 50% me, 50% you. So how today's show goes depends on... Fantastic, because I know I am good. Yes. So here's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to get into the audience space. I'm going to pick up the box. I'm going to open the box in front of you. I'm going to walk up to one person here and one person there. All I would want you to do is mix up all the paper slips and pick up anyone that you want, okay? There is no paper slip in my hand. Nothing up my sleeves. My sleeves are up. Now, coming right here. Opening in front of you, guys, okay? Opening in front of you. Okay, who's going to be the first volunteer? I see you there. And, okay, ma'am, do you want to mix them up first and pick anyone? Oh, there are a lot of them. Which one? Pink or yellow? Pick any. I'll tell the other person to pick up another color. Keep it with you. Don't show it to me. She's taken yellow. You may take any other color. Perfect. Can we provide a mic to ma'am right here? Okay. Now, before I tell you what you guys have to do, I'm also going to read out a few paper slips. This is my way of judging the audience right at the start of the show. Now, ma'am, you have a paper slip there, and ma'am, you have another one. If you would have picked up this one, it says, being the best event planner in the world. It's by Anita. Anita, where are you? You are the best event planner in the world. Just believe that. You don't have to be one. You are one. The next one says, I connect. This one says, bad handwriting, guys. Madagascar. Anima at the spear. Who wrote this? Dude, I'm with you with that one. Guys, artist, it's an artist name. The spear is a place. It's okay, I get you. Same. Yes. Want to meet and take a selfie with you. Thank you. But आपने नाम नहीं लिखा है. I want to... यार मेरे को नहीं लगता था महिलाएं भी ऐसी चीज लिखती है. चले यार guys. Whatever. Okay, you get the idea. So, do you have a mic with you already? Okay, we get her the mic, please. Okay. Ma'am, may I request you to stand up? We're going to start with you, and then we're going to pass on the mic to you, ma'am. And before, what is your name on the mic?
Rupa.
Rupa, ma'am, here's what you have to do. Whatever's written on the paper slip, you will not tell me at all, unless and until I ask you to say it on the mic in front of the entire audience, okay? You keep that word in the back of your mind, and you give me 5 random words. Random, anything that comes to your mind. It could be stage, light, mic, New York, whatever. My job, ladies and gentlemen, 2, 3. My job, ladies and gentlemen, is to identify what's on the paper slip by the 5 random words Rupa gives me. Make sense? How? How does it make sense? As if you do this every day. Give me 5 words, I'll read your mind. It should not make sense. Only then it's magic. Kuch bhi.
Guys, I'm a hardcore मारवाड़ी, तो हिंदी मेरे में बहुत naturally निकलता है, ठीक है? Okay. Okay, Rupa, what's your first random word?
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Okay. Rupa, the words you give me will not just tell me what's on the paper slip. It'll also tell me a lot of things about you.
Okay.
Aeroplane, adventurous. What's your second random word?
Second random word is skyscraper.
Oh, wow. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Skyscraper. What's your, from aeroplane, you got a skyscraper. What's your third random word?
Heels.
Whatever, guys.
You said random.
No, you're doing great job. And that's the problem, that you are doing a great job. Aeroplane, skyscraper, and heels. Yeah. I'll tell you how this act works. People give me words, I try to make a story, and then I derive the word that's on the paper slip, Rupa. But with the words that you're giving me, from skyscraper, aeroplane to literally heels, doesn't make much sense. So, there are 2 times in the day where people are not able to think logically. 1 is when they are hungry. 2 is when we don't talk about it. Not angry. Rupa, are you hungry right now?
No,
You
I'm
better
not.
be.
I'm not.
No, you are.
I'm not.
I don't want you to be the other one. You're not hungry, you said, and you're still giving me such words.
Yeah.
Then maybe what's written on the paper slip is related to food beverages.
Yes, it is.
Just repeat what I'm saying. Food.
Food.
Beverage.
Beverage.
You said beverage as if you're asking me, which means you had more conviction on food as opposed to beverage. It's something to eat as opposed to something to drink. Give me a 4th random word.
Now I'm going to be careful. Tokyo.
Tokyo. The city Tokyo. Okay. Aeroplane, skyscraper, heels, Tokyo. Now, here is an interesting thing. Everybody, if you notice. Okay, all of you. This is something to eat, as we figured out with the way she was saying. I first was thinking this is something local. So my mind was very like Bangalore, Karnataka, but this is not that anymore. The moment Tokyo comes in picture, this is something more global, or at least more national. It's not something very regional. This is something that you like. This could be something that everybody likes, something very generic. It is also, when you say aeroplane, I don't know why, something circular comes to my mind, but I'm not very sure of that. Even when you say heel, something circular comes to my mind. Again, I'm not very sure. If this was a college event, I would have taken the risk and said the word out loud. You know, all kids in front of me. But this is not that moment. Most of you are seeing me perform live for the very first time. I do not think this is a moment I should take any risk. Not this moment. 15-20 minutes later. Okay. So, Rupa, I'm going to tell you what I think it is. Like, I have a few things in mind. But I will take your 5th word before I confirm what I think it is. Okay? So, I think this is something like cookies, biscuits. One of that. It could be noodles. It could be pizza or cake. It could be donut burger, but I don't think it's donut burger. That is very, not that, because it's so generic. I don't think burgers and donuts are that generic. So, you don't have to react at all.
Okay.
Just listen to my words, okay? Cookies, biscuits, noodles, pizza. You can breathe.
I am. I am.
You can also blink. She's like no expressions.
Try to keep a poker face.
You're doing a great job. That's why this is taking so long. I should have been with the other act right now. This is like a warm-up act, which is taking way longer than it should. So, cookies, biscuits, noodles, pizza, cake. You know what? I'm not going to take your 5th word. You're very good. I was going to take your 5th word, not anymore. Has somebody written Rupa, has somebody written okay, I thought it was that. Maybe it's not. Has somebody written pizza on the paper slip?
Oh my God.
You can show it around. You can pass the mic.
What random clues I gave you,
I can't
Random
hear.
clues.
Thank you so much. Round of applause for Rupa as well, ladies and gentlemen. She did a fantastic job. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. May I request you to stand up, ma'am? And
Hello.
on the mic, ma'am, what is your name?
My name is Lakshmi.
Lakshmi, ma'am, here's what you have to do. Do not give me any hints about anything that's on the paper slip.
Okay.
You know the drill. You know what is to be done. You give me 5 words, I tell you what's on the paper slip. Easy peasy, no problem. But no, there is a problem.
What?
Everybody knows what I'm going to do. And in magic, if people know the result, they reverse engineer the act. Now everybody will become a mentalist. Also women, they already know everything.
So I just hand over the paper to you.
No. Also, if I can do it once, I can do it again. Big deal. So what do we do now?
I give the clues.
You give the, okay, fine.
Random clues.
So I'll tell you. Basically, what I'll try to do this is, I'll try to do this faster. I'll try to do this in 3 words.
Looks like you already know the answer.
I wish. I wish, but I should know it in 3 words. If I don't know it in 3 words, just give me another 2. Itna
Words are
bravery.
easy for
Give
me.
me your first random word.
Random word number 1. Bangalore.
Okay, that's not random, okay. Bangalore. Also, if you all notice everybody, how prepared is she? Rupa, when I was talking to you, she was like, ye tel lene jaye. Mere 5 shabd kya honge? She's that prepared. She knows. Random word number 1, Bangalore. Lakshmi, right?
Yeah.
What's your second word?
Second word is books.
Books. Too random. Okay. Books is too random. Here is an interesting thing, everybody. Again, if you notice, when I was talking to Rupa, Rupa saw something on a piece of paper. She was influenced by what she saw. So she internalized it, and maybe because she likes it, she give me the word that she likes. But that's not happening with you. You saw something on a piece of paper. You're clearly not influenced by what you saw. Your words are more external, like Bangalore, the city where we are at, or books, just so random. Books is so abstract. It could be literally anything when you say books. So I have a question before I take your third word.
Sure.
Ma'am, have you seen what's on the paper slip?
I have.
Just confirm
Honestly,
me.
I have.
Just confirm me. Look, I know my audience. There are people who will be like, I'll not see only. How she'll know what's in my mind?
I promise everyone I saw what's written.
No, we are not doubting you. It's just me. I've performed way too many shows, guys. I've dealt with way too many people. Okay, so you've seen what's on the paper slip.
Of course.
But I feel you're still not influenced by it because your words don't just go in that direction. They speak more about abstractness and something where you are. So, even if you've seen what's on the paper slip, I feel you're not influenced by it. So maybe, and you answer a yes or no, and we move on to your third word. Maybe there is no text on the paper slip.
Maybe.
Maybe is a yes, by the way. Maybe is a yes.
It's a maybe.
Mentalism show. Audience doesn't like to agree to the
It's
magician.
neither an S nor a no. It's a maybe. Maybe?
Maybe is a yes.
May not be. I mean, may not be. May not be. May not be.
मैम वो चिट्ठी अभी आप ही ने देखी है आप ही को बताना पड़ेगा
Third word, shall I give?
Oh. So dealing with women, I tell you, they are also mentalist. No, you can't give me third word. I need clarity here first. 1 second.
Yeah.
I'll tell you. In a mentalism show, magic is the only art form where the audience is against the artist. Singer singing goes wrong, no problem. Dancer dancing, ankle will twist, sympathy. Magician goes wrong, thrilled. Maze. So if I ask you a question and if the answer is no, you usually say no. But if I ask you a question and the answer is yes, you usually say maybe. So I'm again asking you. I feel there is no text on the paper slip.
What am I supposed to say?
Whatever is the truth.
I can say it's not blank.
Oh.
It's got something in it. It's got something in it. Yes.
So there is, I said there is no text. Oh, what I meant was it's an empty slip only. But you said it's not an empty slip, which means what I said you took literally because I said text. Correct? Oh, that's where the confusion came in, which means maybe it's a drawing or a scribbling or a sketch or a diagram or something like that.
My good
How
Lord.
disappointed you are, first of all. कि इसको पता कैसे चल रहा है? Ma'am, that's your 1 hour today, by the way.
Maybe. Maybe is the word.
So it is. Okay. Now tell me, has somebody just done a really bad signature and left it?
It's not a signature.
It's not a signature, which means it is a drawing or a scribbling or a sketch or something. In that case, okay.
Okay. Shall I give you the third? What is it?
Are you playing music only? I don't think I need the third. What I'm going to do is, Lakshmi ma'am, I'm going to ask you to join me on stage. Everybody put your hands together as Lakshmi ma'am joins me on stage. Now, thank you. Ma'am, if I ask you to draw a scribble or whatever it is, to do the same thing again, can you do that? Is it replicable?
The books and the Bangalore and all that. I'm very bad at drawing, I have to say.
No, that's fine. Whatever's on the paper slip, can you replicate it?
I should replicate it.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay, take any one of these, whichever you want. Take any of the markers. I'll take the mic from you so you're more comfortable. Don't do it right now. Don't do it right now. I'll tell you. For now, I want you to join me right here, center stage. You are the star. What I want you to do is you will start drawing, sketching, whatever it is, the same thing on the board on my count of 3. Not right now. Okay. Nobody's judging your drawing. That is fine, just 400 people.
Thanks for reminding me.
But before that, you and I are going to stand back to back. Back. Okay. Before you start drawing, I want you to think about the drawing in your mind.
Can I see it once?
Yeah, you can see it, but make sure I don't. So I'm going to look here, just so that you guys know that I'm not looking at any of the whatever.
Okay.
Done? Okay. Now, don't draw right now. Close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Imagine there is a big canvas in front of you. Keeping your eyes closed, you're picking up paints, colors, and drawing the same thing on the canvas. No. Patience, ma'am, patience. Just have it in your mind for a bit. You're thinking of all sorts of things. You can open your eyes. You may start drawing now. You can start drawing now. She went away. Trust issues she has. What happened, ma'am? Who hurt you? Okay, everybody in the audience, drawing is subjective. It doesn't have to be exact. It doesn't need to be the same drawing. It should just be the drawing of the same thing. We get it, right? Okay, you're done, right? On my count of 3, we show it to the audience. Come right here. We show it to the audience. Their reaction will tell us if it really matched, okay? It should match.
What I've drawn in this. That should match, yeah.
I like the doubt you have.
I have no doubt.
1, 2, 3, now. Thank you so much. You can drop it here. Drop it. Keep it with you. Round of applause for Lakshmi ma'am, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Thank you. I love you guys. So much fun. Thank you. It was so sweet. Thank you. So, I started performing magic. Like I did my first ever stage show when I was 7 years old. Oh, wow. It's been many, many years. It's been many, many years that I have been performing magic. And I did not start like this. Like what you're seeing today is very urban, contemporary magic. I started as a traditional Indian magician, Desi Jadugar. I used to wear glittery clothes. I had 30 people to assist me on stage. We had 2 trucks of goods. I would perform a 3-hour show. I would perform acts like flying in the air, cutting a person into half, burning a girl alive, bringing her back also. Burning is not magic, guys. I used to perform all those things on stage. And we used to travel from village to village, city to city, and perform every day. Like, I used to go to a village, book an auditorium or whatever, school hall there for a month and perform every day. We would perform up to 3 shows on the weekends and then to another city and then to another. Whole year I was just performing. And because of this travel schedule, I did not go to school. So for those who do not know, I haven't been to school after first standard, after the age of 7. So all that I did in my life was perform shows, travel the world. So far, although school did not happen, but so far we have performed over 5,000 shows globally. And I feel all of this was possible because some very wise and strong, like hard-hitting decisions were taken by my parents when I was really young. And some decisions even I took when I grew a little older. And my life became what you see right now. I think the same thing applies to all of us. Our life is a sum total of all the good, bad, sweet, ugly decisions we have ever taken. And it is because of those decisions we are here today. Do you guys agree to that? Yeah, it's all about decision making. And I feel there are 2 categories of people when it comes to decisions. There's this first category of people who are very strong-headed, who take hard decisions, work on them, execute them, make mistakes, learn, make another decision. Well, there's a second category of people who are so afraid of taking the wrong decisions, they think and then they overthink, and then they take a suggestion, and then they take more suggestions, and then they sleep over it, and then they wake up and they then think more and they take more suggestions. By the time they take a decision, the right time is gone. You know in which category you fall. Now, I believe in the first category. I feel you should always take your own decisions, not be afraid of taking wrong, because only when you take a few wrong decisions, you learn how to take the right ones. And for the same reason, I have an act over here. I'm going to call 4 people from the audience on stage. These 4 people will get an opportunity to make some decisions. If they are able to take all the correct decisions, it will transform their life. Itna kuch nahi hone wala hai. It'll be something nice. Only if they take the correct decisions. Now, who are the 4 people going to be? Now, to make this very random, Lakshmi ma'am and Rupa ma'am, I want you guys to help me here. Because I want everybody to feel like they are a part of this one. Do you mind catching this paper ball, please? That was really good. Rupa, just try catching this, please. That was really good. Okay, I just want you to throw it behind. Okay, wait. Whoever gets it, please catch the ball. If you want to walk up on stage, fantastic, please walk up. If you don't want to walk up on stage, it's okay. Still catch it and throw it to somebody else. Rupa, wherever you want. Nice and far. Okay. Whoever gets it over there, if you want to walk up on stage, request you to please stand up and, ma'am, throw it again behind. Throw it again behind. You can see and throw, that's fine. Okay, somebody right there. You got the paper ball? I just don't want people to feel that I have set things up with. Oh, no, paper ball. So sorry, so sorry. Okay, so we have 1, 2, somebody there, 3. You got the paper ball, right? 4, right up. Can we have a round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen? Hi, come right up. 1, 2, 3. How? How did this happen? No. We'll do something. No, I'll involve all of you, but in something else because this is a 4 people act. Okay. Who was the last one to walk up here? Can I request you to join me this side? Okay. You might have to just stand for a bit. Is that okay? Okay. Now, okay, very quickly because of the confusion here. There is a reason I am not letting anybody randomly to walk up on stage or pointing at somebody to walk up on stage is because half my job and my work and people for half my thing in my life is to make people believe what I do is not scripted. Like as if I've met these people in the past, मैं backstage मिल ली होंगी इनको या मैंने इनको stalk कर लिया होगा, I would have messaged them. I have a life, guys. But you know, a lot of times if you see my comment section is all about this is scripted, you might have paid people in advance. So this is for you to know that this is purely random. Any one of you could have been on stage if you would have just gotten the paper ball. So you know this is random, right? Okay, great. Now, who was the first one? I saw you first one to walk. Now, I've got 4 tags. They're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to pick up any one you want. Number 3. All three of you, can you step ahead? There are 4. You'll have to take the phone, ma'am. There are 4 chairs behind you. You can sit on any of the chairs you want. Not necessarily this one. Also this one if you want. Okay. Anyone that you want? Okay, great. Any of the chairs you want. You were the last one to walk up on stage. Second last. Okay, so you were the last. Okay, fine. Anyone that you want? Perfect. Any of the chairs you want. What's your name, ma'am? Anita, ma'am. No option. Yahi hai. Chalega? Le lo. Kursi bhi wahi hai. Koi option nahi hai. But that's not right. I want you to make a decision actually. So, where the lanyards, everybody? I'm not going to give you an option to. Anita ma'am did not get an option to choose her tag because she was the last person to walk up on stage. But she also did not get an option to choose her chair, which is a little unfair because this act is about decision. So, tag is fine, but I'm going to give you an option to choose your chair. And the way we do that is, can I request all 4 of you to please stand up once again? We're going to play music for 5 seconds. When the music is being played, I want the 4 of you to walk over here like this is a garden. When the music stops, ma'am, you pick up any of the chairs you want. From the remaining 3, you guys decide. Fair? Yeah, fair. We are not playing musical chairs. Yeah. Childhood conditioning. We see chair, we listen to music, we go round and round. Do not do that. Stand there. And no need to run. Nobody's going to take away the chair. No trauma, guys, okay? Can I have some music, please? Wait. Ma'am, Anita, ma'am, you take your chair first. Okay. You guys can decide now, whichever you want. Okay, you happy with that one, Anita, ma'am? Sure you want that one? You happy with the chair? You want to change anything? Are you happy with everything? Do you want to change or swap? Do you want to change or swap? Everybody happy? Look, this is important, okay? Like they have all the option to change right now. If you want to, you can. Okay, great. So after they chose their tags and the chairs, there's a number being made over here. The number is 2413. 2413. I want all of you to remember 2413 till the... Nope, next 5 minutes. It's not that important. After the tags and the chairs comes my 3rd important decision. I've got 5 envelopes. Out of the 5 envelopes, 4 of them have a colored paper in it. Yellow, orange, green, blue, purple, brown, doesn't matter. But just one envelope has something important in it. It could be a check, could be DD, could be jewelry. I'm not kidding, it's there. And I know you guys are rich. Okay. But I want you to behave like those celebrities who go to coffee shops and fight for the hamper they can easily buy. Behave like that. ठीक है? आती हुई लक्ष्मी को मना नहीं करते. That's okay. Just laugh when everybody is laughing. Okay, if it's something more important that I feel is extremely that you need to know, I will repeat it again if you don't get it. But basically, right now, I'm just going to give you 5 envelopes to choose from, okay? Now, sorry. Okay, so I don't know why I'm feeling laughing myself. Okay, so I don't want you guys to feel that I am cheating because I don't do that. So I will have a judge on stage. So in this moment, I call a judge on stage, but I have a judge on stage. So I have 5 envelopes. Those are the 5 envelopes. If you mind picking them up, I'm not going to touch them. They're behind, yes. What's your name, ma'am? Supriya. Supriya, ma'am, I'm going to mix them up. Mix, 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 mix. I do not know what envelope is at what position, but now as Supriya ma'am mixes up, to mujhe 100% nahi pata. You understood what I said? You're trying to read my mind? For now, the lips. Okay. So, usually what I do now is I call somebody on stage who's rich. So that I can take money from them to make them a judge. Okay. But now that I already have a judge, but I still need the money. So, are you carrying your wallet with you? No. So, I want you guys to check your purse, check your wallet, and somebody who can give me 100, no, 5, you guys are rich, 500 rupees, raise up your hand. Okay, just raise up your hand, check first. ऐसे आके digital money नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है, पैसा मेरे पास भी है. If you have a 500 rupee note on you, raise up your hand. सब रख रहे हो तुम लोग. All of you have it. Ma'am, ऐसे पैसे दिखाते नहीं है. It doesn't look good from here. It's not that kind of a show. Who's training you? Just because I'm wearing a skirt. What am I even saying? Okay, somebody has the paper ball in the audience. You have one, right? Lakshmi, do you mind helping me again? Can you just walk a bit, no, don't give me, walk a bit in the center there if you don't mind, and throw in any direction. If you get it and if you have a 500 rupee note, I request you to join. If you don't, throw it to somebody who does. Okay, that was really nice. Perfect. Do you have 500 rupee on you? Can you join me on stage, please? Perfect. Give me a round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen. Keep it going till she reaches here. You are looking like a magician. Okay. I'm going to give you this. Walk up, walk up, walk up. Where's the money? Money is there, no? Huh? Money is important. Yes. What is your name, ma'am? Swati, ma'am. Okay. Paisa. You have good money. Show off. Why did I ask just one? I'll not double. You need double of that. Ma'am, इतना पैसा मेरे पास नहीं है. अगर मेरे पास उतना पैसा होता मैं शो नहीं कर रही होती. I want you to fold the note. And I also saw that I like quite a lot. गड्डी पड़ी है यार अंदर. But you could have picked up anyone. Ma'am, roll नहीं करते ऐसे stage पर. She literally. What is this habit, ma'am? This is just funny. Just fold it. Fold, fold. Another fold. Yes. Just place it inside. I'm not going to touch it. Okay, there is no... Sukhi, give me a cello tape. I want to tape this. But anyway, we'll tape it. But I want you to keep this with you. That's all I wanted you for. नहीं डबल बबल कुछ नहीं होता मैम तो मैं शो कर रही होती है इतना है आपके पास still you want double that's how you made that or what हाँ भाई अच्छा ये पैसों की सारी बातें इनको सुनाई दे रही है? हाँ, this all she is listening. Okay, I'm just going to seal it. Just open the flap. I'm not going to touch the note or anything. I'm just going to make sure you seal it. Yes. Keep it with you, ma'am. Swati ma'am, I might call for it later on. I'm not going to let you go empty-handed. I'm going to give you something else as well. Here is a certification for you. Technically, I give this to the person who's the judge. But it is right now, I'm going to give it to her. Because she gave me money. She bribed me. Are you going to give me money? This is Swati ma'am. Thank you so much for joining me on stage. Round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I will call for it later, this certificate later on. Do not open. Keep it with you. I might ask you to throw it. But do not open the certificate. Do not open it, okay? Why do I not trust her? I don't trust anybody who runs around with that gaddi in their wallet. Swati ma'am, अगर certificate open किया तो पाप लगेगा. माता रानी पाप लगाएगी. गड्डी गायब हो जाएगी. Love it. I just feel this has become like a house party for me more than a show. Like everybody is having fun. Okay. Okay. Have you mixed that up, ma'am? You want to mix more? Okay. Okay. I do not know what envelope, what position. Supriya ma'am, mix them up. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one for each. Let's go. That's one. What's your name, ma'am? Do not open right now. What's your name? Rachna ma'am, you were looking at that envelope. You took that one. Are you sure about it? You sure about it? 100%? No, she had an option, Baba. Okay. Supriya ma'am, can I request you to join me here? Yes. We are now going to create some suspense, some drama, because I like it. Yeah, I know. Okay, so we're going to start one after the other, not together. So you will be the first one. I want you to open the envelope, bring the paper only half outside. If it's a white color paper, you win. Any other color paper, not important. Let's go. Just bring the paper half outside. It should be white to win. Any other color, not important. Which means it's not white, but you can still show it to us. That's a yellow color paper. I just want to remain it like this. Just bring it only half outside. Abhi ke liye. Later on, we'll tell you. Open up. Bring it half outside. This is orange color paper, not important. It's a green color paper. I told you if you want to exchange. Don't want to exchange. Are you sure? Well, let's see. Oh, I have to see eventually. It's a blue. I told you to exchange. But I didn't want to. You didn't want to. Let's see what's in there. Supriya ma'am, can you open that up? I'm going to get the mic for you. What is in there? It's a white color paper. There should be something more with it. What is it? What is it? Wait 1 second. What is it?
The signature. Oh, this is a check.
Is it a signed check?
Yes.
Is it a blank check?
Yes.
It's not yours. No. Only seeing, no touching. Rachna ma'am, I told you to exchange. बैंक में पैसे भी है. मेरे पास भी है. Okay, even you don't get it. Sorry, judge को क्या ही मिलता है. वही तो. I'm so sorry. But thank you so much for joining me on stage. Can we have a round of applause for Supriya ma'am, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much, ma'am, for being so kind. Now, what's your name, ma'am? Ankita. Ankita, ma'am, what happens when a decision goes wrong?
Learn from it.
Perfect. And then we'll move on.
Move on.
Correct? That's exactly what we're going to do. We're just going to move on from it. It was never about the check. It's much more than that. Can I request all 4 of you to remove the paper from the envelope, throw the envelope behind. You don't need that. There's a number written on the paper. Can you show that number to the audience? This, ladies and gentlemen, is 2, 4, 1, 3. Not just that. The first decision you took when you walked up on stage was the tag. What was the second decision?
The chair.
Can I request all four of you to stand behind the chair you're sitting on? And I'm going to walk up to you, ma'am. Leave that, leave that. You were sitting on this chair, no, first, and then you walked up to this one.
I was on that chair.
Oh, you were there. So you were on that one, and then you walked up to this one. Why did you choose this, not that, not this?
So I always believe that number 2 is lucky for me, so I took the second chair here.
Should I give you one more reason?
You can.
What's the color of the paper in your hand?
It's orange.
What's the color of the paper behind
I
the chair?
noticed that it was orange when I was just walking.
Yes. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the orange, quite heavy, orange color chair. Not all of them are orange. You have a yellow color paper. Let's turn this around. This is a yellow color chair. Let's turn that around. That's a green color chair. That is a blue color chair. Ladies and gentlemen. Can I request you all to do one last thing before I thank you and ask you to take your seats? Yeah? Can I request all four of you to walk up right here, center stage, showing the number to the audience, 2413. Now, all the decisions were made by them. I did not take a single decision. Even if one like we threw paper balls. It could have been any four of you to be on stage. I'm glad it's the four of you. And who walked up first? You walked up first. You could have picked up any number, 1, 2, 3, 4. You picked up number 3. You could have sat on any chair. You picked up number 2. You could have just exchanged the envelope. You did not. All the decisions were made by them. Even if one decision would have been different, this entire thing wouldn't have been possible. And what's going to happen next would have been absolutely impossible. And what's going to happen next is for each one of us. It's for each one of you seated over here. It's for each one of us associated with Fiki Flow Bangalore. I always say this. It's the company, organizations, institutions that make the people who they are. And it's the people who make the communities what they are. And I was just walking up over here and I was with you guys, right? And I was telling you, Henna and Nidhi. I was with Henna and Nidhi, and I was telling them of how I've performed for various Fiki Flows all over India and how much I love performing for you guys. And they were telling me how Bangalore is superior than all of them. And I'm just kidding. No, but it's true. And now I see why. Now I see why. And I love it. And exactly. I think we should have a round of applause for you guys, man. And why I say this right now is on purpose, because as I say, it's the decisions that make things great. And the women over here are powerful enough to make those decisions, to make this one so big and so glamorous, just like how your decisions have made this happen. On my count of 3, I want you to open the paper and show to everybody what is in there. On my count of 3. Drama music, I just love it. 1, 2, 3, now. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Flow Bangalore. On my count of 3, take a bow. 1, 2, 3. You can keep the tags and the papers behind. Thank you so much. You can go from here, you can go from there, no problem. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you. Look amazing. Thank you. Once again, can we have a round of applause for all the women, wonderful ladies that joined me for this act? Thank you. Well, are you guys having fun? Yeah? Because I'm having a lot of fun. I love an event where an audience entertains me back. This is one of those. So, okay, if you've seen any of my videos, you'll have seen me talk to a celebrity or a person, ask them a question, and then snap my fingers and try to figure out the answer that is in their mind. In fact, when I was younger, when people used to ask me, hey, what do you do? I used to be like, I'm a magician. And they used to be like, wow, what instrument do you play? You'll get it. Those who did not, slowly. Musician, magician. Now people ask, so I grew up and I was like, now I won't say that. So now people ask me, hey, what do you do? I'm like, I'm a mentalist. Worse. They think it's something related to mental. Now there is still awareness. People still have figured out what I do, little bit. So now people who do understand it, who do get it, they go like, wow, what? Like, wow, can you read my mind? Most of the times I'm not interested, guys. Why? The few times that I am interested, I go like, let's find out. Not like this, I don't say like this. I just say, let's find out. Can I read your mind? Let's find out. Now, to read somebody's mind, I need somebody with a mind that's active and alert. Okay, in this one, I don't want you to volunteer. In this, I want you to nominate. Whose mind do you want me to read? You can say out loud. Decky. Okay, guys. Once again, my mistake. But I think, Decky, you, like, everybody knows you. So I think you will be the good choice here. I'll come there. Okay, here is what we are going to do. Do you mind standing up? That'll be great. Come right here, come right. So here's what I'm going to do. Usually what happens is I ask a question and I try to figure out the answer. But here, I don't want to do that because people might think that, oh, you are here, I have planned this, or, oh, she's going to read her mind only, all that, So you might have thought that I've read about her on Instagram or Facebook or talked to people around her about her or, go to... Guys, as I said earlier, I have a life. I don't do all these things. Yet, if people have doubts, to make it even more random, I am not going to ask you the question. I am going to let audience members ask you a question. Oh my God. Here is your mic if you want to say something. But yeah, that'll be fun. This is now. Be kind, yeah.
Be kind, girls.
Now, what I'm going to do is, I'll still give you a choice. I'll give you a choice to choose your question. How we're going to do this is, I'm going to encourage them to ask you questions. I would want you to raise up your hand if you have a question for Jackie. I'll walk up to you. I'll give you the mic. You ask the question, and I'll go to multiple people. You will hear all the questions. Whatever you are comfortable answering, I would want you to keep that one question in your mind.
Okay. Just the question.
Just the question in your mind, and I try to figure out the answer to that question. Yeah, simple. So you have now options to select from. The only thing I request from the audience members and from you is, first of all, ask questions that has multiple answers. Like, what is your favorite movie? Has a multiple option. Like, so difficult for me. Like, if you ask, think of a color. Like it's easier. But if you ask a movie or a song or something from their child or whatever you want to ask, like I'm not influencing you. You can ask whatever you want. But ask a question where the answer is not a yes or a no, or the probability is not out of 10 or 5. The probability is out of like thousands or lakhs sort of question. And do not ask a question where, this is just a suggestion, where the answer is a number, like your car number. Because numbers are genuinely easy for me. Like, I'm just saying. अरे मतलब पूछ लो मेरे को क्या है एक तो बता रही हूँ मैं. Also, the next bit is about numbers. So it'll be just a repeat of what I'm going to do later on. That's why. I would want you to select a question that you think I cannot know the answer to. So if the answer is available anywhere on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, just make sure you don't choose only that question. Make sure the question is just out of the blue, like nobody can know the answer to. Maybe some answer that you're making up right now. That'll be even better. Yeah? Can I have one more mic? Okay, great. So if you have a question, raise up your hand. Okay, perfect. Let's go. Wait. There you go. Yeah.
Deki, only
I'll tell you. Just keep it.
Deki, only you know what you ate last night for dinner.
How do you think only she knows?
In this hall, I think
No,
only
actually,
she knows.
two
That's
other
what you
girls
think?
know.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, so what did you eat last night is a question. Do you mind passing the mic right there?
What is the naughtiest thought that is running in your mind right
Love
now?
it. Love the women. Men would take 10 questions and then they would become little.
They're like dozens
कि
right now,
बचपन के crush
Rashmi.
का नाम बता दे. हाँ, but ma'am, one only, please. I don't want to know. We pass the mic behind. There's a lady right there in red. Yes, let's go.
Hi, Deki. What's the one thing you love about people?
Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, I'm gonna just pass it there. I don't. We'll give me another mic if you have. Mind me taking your mic right now for now? Yeah. Yes, go on.
Hi, Deki. If given a choice, would you like to go to space and why?
Oh wow, we became like interviewers right now. Dude, women are really
Random question.
Yeah, they're such good questions. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Deki, what's your one of the bucket list that you haven't yet accomplished?
Bucket list, one of the dreams. Yes. You have a question?
Hi, Deki. Yeah, I have the mic here. Can I?
Hi, Deki. So, what is the next event you have planned for the Fiki Flow? No.
What's
the
the
next exciting one.
Next plan.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Where's the mic?
Hi,
Yes.
Deki. Out of all your siblings or your cousins, who's your favorite?
झगड़े कराओ. कलेशी औरत.
Deki,
One second.
where are you planning your next holiday to?
Okay. Or it could also be a dream holiday destination. Okay? Go on. I'll take
Hi,
it.
Jackie. You're very pretty, you're very vibrant, full of energy, and you must be having a lot of fan followers in your life, childhood and your teenage. So what was your first crush? Who was your first crush?
What a build-up. Love the build-up. First crush. बच्चा सामने बैठा है. Go on.
Deki, what's your plan for the next year after you step down? 3 things that you want to do.
Ma'am, one. I have to read also. 3 things. It'll be too much. Like the longer the answer, the longer time I would take. That's fine. Just 1 second. We have a question here. Yes, Anita.
Yeah, Deki, of all the moments that we've seen you smiling, the moment which makes you smile the most.
What's your happiest moment? What's a happy memory?
Deki, if you could be a celebrity for a day, who would you choose?
Celebs. What? Sorry.
If you could be a celebrity for a day, who would you choose?
Okay. What celebrity? Who celeb? कौन सा celebrity बनना चाहोगे? अंग्रेजी भूल गई मैं. Okay, I'm gonna go a little behind. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Hello, Deki. You have hosted so many programs till now. Which is your favorite one?
Excuse me. I'm right here. What do you mean? What's your favorite one? मेरे सामने पूछ रहे हो आप ये सवाल.
Deki, what is the one thing that you goofed up few years earlier that you would like to change?
Sorry, what was that?
Somewhere that she goofed up or something.
Mistake that you would like to rectify. Okay, go ahead. Oh, you have a question. Go on.
Hi, Deki.
Okay, guys, question.
Hi, Deki.
I feel like a teacher.
Place in the world would you like to retire?
Okay, your retirement plans, abhi se. Okay, here you go. Okay, I'll just use the mic I have with me. Don't use the other
Hi,
mic, please.
Deki.
Don't pass the other mic. Yes.
What is the point in your life that you would love to go back to?
So sundar questions. I feel like I should write these questions to ask to
Hi,
people.
Deki. What's your favorite childhood memory?
Favorite childhood memory. Okay. Look, few quick last few questions. Yes.
Hi, Deki. Could you share what kind of child you were? Happy, naughty, or something else?
What were the 3 adjectives you'd use for your childhood self? Okay.
Hi, Deki. If you were, for one day, if you were to become Suhani Shah, whose mind would you like to read?
Good question.
The biggest turning point in your life, Deki.
Okay. We are not passing the other mic. Yes.
Who is your first best friend in your life?
Childhood friend. First childhood best friend. Yes. Go on.
Hey Deki, what would you confess if you have done something and you really want to confess it right now?
Why will she? Why? 410 people. Why?
For the betterment.
For the betterment, yes.
Deki, what's your flirting style? Bold or subtle? What's your flirting style? Is it bold or subtle?
What's your flirting style? Flirting style. Bold or funny? Okay, we have another question here.
Your one fear which has turned out to be a strength now.
A fear that has turned out to be a strength now. We take
Can I
one
ask a
last
question?
question.
Oh, yeah. Last question here, please.
Any unfinished
Yeah.
dreams? Any unfinished
I'll
dreams
give
you
you.
have, Deki?
Yes, ma'am.
Any unfinished dreams you have, Deki?
Unfinished dreams. Okay, go on, ma'am.
Okay, this is a group question, and please don't kill me for this.
No. It's you only. We'll take you only. You are the face.
If there's one person that you would like to have an affair with, who? It should be a real person. Not a celebrity, not a celebrity.
Hi Ram, बच्चा सामने बैठा है. Yes, go on.
Who is your favorite person in the flow organization for this year?
भाई ये जो पर्सनल एजेंडा मेरे जरिए निकल रहा है, ठीक है? I know. Too much, guys. Not on me. हाँ. Okay. I think this is too heavy.
Very, very heavy.
Guys, I am telling you something. I do this act. This is the act that I'm known for in general. Like if you've seen me online, this is what I basically do. So, I have not faced such questions. That's all I want to say. And I do shows almost every day. Okay? This is the difference when you perform for women. Everything comes out to be so creative with depth, creativity, and all. Sab kuch hai. I love it. And
Flow
for Bangalore. Oh, I forget. For
absolutely.
Bangalore. That's the main thing. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to give you a minute. Okay, there are many questions from childhood crushes to current crushes to whose mind would you want to read to where would you want to retire to dream holiday destination to favorite person to how do you flirt? Oh my God, look at him. He's like, I apologize on their behalf. Yeah, who do you want to have an affair with? Oh my God. I'm going to give you a minute to decide your question. Once you have it, I want you to write down the answer, not the question. Question stays in your mind. Nobody knows the question. Question will stay only in your mind. You write down the answer. You fold the paper. Make sure nobody sees it, okay? I give you a minute to do that. You can sit and do that. You can go on the stage and do it. You can go to the podium and do it. I'm not even going to look there. While she does that, I'm going to tell you a very interesting thing that happened with me. This is about more than a decade ago, about 10, 11 years ago, where I was performing for a corporate event. It was a corporate gig. And that time, my performance would end by me revealing somebody's crush's name. Okay, so there was this gentleman who's sitting on a chair over here, and I asked him to think about the person's name in their mind, and then I take that whiteboard and I then write it down. Well, my story is not even halfway through.
Yeah, you're finished.
Okay, fine. So you know.
I was getting 4 more.
Okay, cool. So hear the story now. Usually I do this story as a filler till you write, but now you hear. It's a fun story. It's a real story. It's really happened with me. I can't say the client name, but then it was a very fun story. So what happened was, so I wrote down the crush's name on the board. It was a different kind, similar to that whiteboard. I wrote it down. And I wrote it down and I kept it ulta. And I go to this person, holding this above the person's head and go like, on my count of 3, I want you to say the name out loud. 1, 2, 3, now. And he says, I can't say the name. And I'm like, no, you have to. He's like, my wife is in the audience. A Coldplay moment happened a decade ago with me, guys. Now, I show him the board, and he goes like, oh no, like fully embarrassed about it. with his expressions, the audience understood that I am right. I get my applause and whatever. I finish my show there. And I'm like, ho gaya mera, you go, I go, everybody go. And I'm backstage now, and I see this couple walking towards me, clearly not willing to have a selfie. And this gentleman now trying to convince me to tell his wife that all this was scripted for the show. And I'm like, Dekh, I don't know about your credibility, but meri to hai. Even 10 years ago, I have been doing magic for more than a decade. Even then, I'm very old, guys. Okay. So then, basically, cutting the story short, what happened was, the crush's name that he said was the name of a colleague. It gets better. Who's also sitting in the audience. It still gets better. And they all are friends. That woman, the wife, they all are friends. Oh my God. Anyway, yeah, so I just hope he's happy with, or whoever is happy with somebody right now. But it wasn't that after that show, and there's so much chaos that happened after the show, and I saw that it really affected a family. I don't know what happened. I mean, main nahi to koi aur effect to hota hai. But then I realized that after that, I'm going to take consent before revealing. So 12 years ago, the decision happened, which states that now I take consent or let them choose the question before I ask or reveal. That was the whole. Ma'am, walk up on stage. Let's just walk up on stage. Come right here. Round of applause for Dekhi, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, where's the paper? Okay, I'm going to tear it off here in front of you. And all the paper slips remain right there. Nobody touches them, okay? Here is what I'm going to ask you to do. You can leave it there. You can walk up right here. Center stage, right here. Here's what I want you to do, ma'am. I want you to look into the audience. I do not know the question. I will try to figure out the answer directly without the question. Like, I'll try to figure out the answer, then reverse engineer the question. Okay. That's what I'm going to try and do. If I don't get the question, I'll ask. Okay. I know you see like this big mirror behind, but in your imagination, you can do anything. So I want you to imagine from there to there, both the corners, there's a big wall. Okay? And on that wall, I want you to see your answer written. Because you've already written it, 1 second. Usko bol awaaz band kare. That's okay. What I want you to do is imagine your answer. Because you've already written it, it's going to be much easier for you to visualize it. That's the reason I make you write down, so you're able to visualize it better. You did write now, but you just like thought of it. And I get it, it's going to be difficult to visualize. So I want you to close your eyes. Just changing the thought into visualization would be just by adding a bit more color and a bit more movement to it. So maybe you can imagine you're in a movie theater, a big movie theater, and before the movie starts, whatever your answer is coming on the screen. And add colors to it, add movement to it, so you're able to visualize it better. Okay. This is a one-word answer. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Now, it's just that your hair is hiding your face, so I can't see you from the side. It's just weird.
That's always a constant
yeah,
issue
same
with my
for me.
team
It's
as
like,
well.
that's okay. That's fine. Be comfortable. Be as you are. That's okay. Just maybe one step behind so that I can just see you. Yeah, that's all. Cool. Look there. Again, don't look at me. I get intimidated. Close your eyes again. Count the number of letters in this one word. Not on your fingers. That'll be easy for me to see. If you want to do it on your fingers, you can put your hand behind so that I don't see it. That's okay. I see this is a big word. I like how confused you are yourself with the spelling of it. Okay, it's a pretty big word. You counted quite a bit. See the first letter, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay. 9 letters, 10 letters. It's not 11 for sure. Okay. Think of this word in your mind again. And again. And again. And again. And again. And again. And again. Okay. Keeping your eyes closed. Everybody in the audience. Got it? What I'm saying? Great. You have one job, guys, right now. Just telling you. Okay. Keeping your eyes closed, because there's a mirror ahead so you might see it. Keeping your eyes closed, I want you to say it on the mic. What are you thinking of? Yes.
Am I looking fat in that on the
No,
screen?
what is the word you are thinking of?
Okay. No. What am I actually? Okay. What am I thinking about?
What is
Should I
the word that
describe?
you... No,
Should
no,
I
you
tell
can
the
say
word?
it. Yeah, you can say it out loud. It's fine.
Oh, okay. It actually answers 3 of the questions, and it was safer because my son is here. So the word is Antarctica.
You can open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. You can give it to me. Thank you so much for joining me on the class. Thank you. Round of applause for her, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Well. What is your question? Sorry? Oh, this is the spelling she thought of. She thought of the wrong spelling. Oh, guys, wait. 1 second. Hello, this is important. This is the wrong spelling because she thought of the wrong spelling. This is the spelling she was thinking of. Correct? Yes. Okay. There's a C. Antarctica. ये मैं स्कूल नहीं गई पर मेरे को आता है, ठीक है? Wow, what an observation to ask me that question though. That's lovely. Okay. Thank you. What, Lakshmi? Don't take away my thunder. Are you getting paid to do this? I am. Ah. That's sweet. That's sweet. Thank you, guys. Also, I know all this looks very creepy, okay? But I'm a nice person. I'm a great friend to have. I understand you even when you're not talking. But this is also the only reason that I am single. I get to know more than I should. Always. Sad. Ma'am, I like how... Guys, this is not Q&A, okay? It'll happen, don't worry. Shh, shh. So it's a magic show. Let there be mystery. Wow. Okay. Guys, it's time I move on to the last part of my performance. And it is only common sense to know that the last bit has to be the best bit. Like I have to do anything better than what I have done so far. And I've done good stuff so far. I mean, I guess the wrong spelling also. So to make this last act like a grand finale, I'll make it a finale. But I'll need you to make it exactly. So I want all of you to support me in this one. Are you guys with me? Yes. This is going to be a lot of fun, I promise. I want you guys to do something you love doing. Get hold of your phones. Get your phones in your hand. Everybody, I want your phones in your hand. And one person joins me on stage and somebody behind, I think Swati, Do you have the paper ball with you still? Do you mind throwing it anywhere? Far. You can throw it this side. Can I? No, ma'am, please throw through. I want you to throw. Just want to be. Can you stand up and? Okay, fine. Who has it? Who has it? Do you mind joining me on stage? Round of applause as she joins me on stage, everybody. Keep it going till she reaches here. Hello. What is your name? Shilpa ma'am, here's, I'm going to give you a mic first, and here is what you have to do. Come right here. Shilpa ma'am, you have a very important task at hand. You have to choose 5 more people from the audience to do this act with. It's not easy, I'm telling you. Okay. Now,
Can't I use the ball?
you can. You actually can if you want to. I can give you that. And the way you do that is you can actually throw this once and then they can keep throwing it. That is one good way to do it. Or they can raise up the hand and you can select from them. You can decide. But before you do that, I also see a lot of people have been raising up their hand, but a lot of people have not been raising up their hand to be a part of the show. Maybe because they think that if they are called up on stage, that I will read their mind, and they don't want me to do that because of all the dirty things they have done in their life. So, this is not that moment. If you are chosen by Shilpa ma'am, all you have to do is be where you are. Keep sitting. And just shout out a number. This could be one, that's why I was saying numbers, avoiding numbers before. Okay, now you guys don't test me. And just shout out a number. This could be 1 digit, 2 digit, it could be up to up to 5 digits. Okay, the number can be up to 5 digits bigger. You got it? Yes, 5 digits big, correct. So, that's all you have to do. And everybody else who's not giving us numbers, you open your calculators on the phone. So you can add the numbers people are giving us. So we will end up with a really random number. Okay. Do you know everybody in the audience?
I know a lot of people.
But not everybody? My mother told me never talk to strangers.
Okay,
so we make you friends. Everybody in the audience goes, "Hi, Shilpa!"
Hi, guys.
She didn't say hi.
Hi, everybody.
I give you one more chance. Everybody goes, "Hi, Shilpa!" That's nice. Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah. Okay, how do you want to do this? They raise up the hand or you throw paper ball?
I'll just throw the ball.
Okay,
I think
perfect.
that's
So
easier.
here's how we're going to do this. She throws it once. Whoever gets it, you please stand up wherever you are. Give us a number and then throw it behind to anyone. Sit down and we pass on till we get 4, 5 numbers. Go ahead. Okay. Okay, I'm going to open the calculator so that I can add the... Ma'am, give me the number. Give me a number. Yes. 4021. Do you mind throwing it? You can throw it this side, behind, however you want. Wow. Beach mein se chhin liya. That was 4021. Okay, we got the first number, guys. It's 4021. 4021 plus. Yes, ma'am. 5656 plus 5656. Pass the paper ball, please. 5656. Yes, up to 5 digits. Yes, go on, ma'am. 2069 plus, throw it. You can throw it this side also. कितनी कोशिश करूं मैं बॉल यहाँ लाने की, by the way, पता है कब से? So मेरे को गाली मत देना, उधर देना आप लोग. 2069 plus. Yes, ma'am. Who has the paper ball? 2743. 2743. Once again, 2743. We'll take one last number. This is the last number. Did you give 5 digits because they screamed? Oh, that's why. Okay. But it's your choice. What's your name, ma'am? Manisha. Give me the number again. 26584. clearly, I was going to ask you, are you sure? But I clearly see you're not. So I'm going to ask you, Manisha ma'am, do you want to change your mind? Are you sure? Do you want to keep the, what is the number you give? Two 26584. You sure with 26? Look, you're the last person giving me the number. I will not take any number after this. So you're an important person in life, but here also, right now. Okay, so if you want to change your mind, this is your moment. 2803? 28037. Are you sure? Look, this is not reverse psychology. A lot of times in a magic show, when a magician asks you to change your mind, you don't do it thinking, I caught the magician. This is not that moment. Mera sahi chal raha hai. Going good. This is genuinely a chance for you. So you've changed your mind from a number to another number. Is this your final number? Which is 28037. Bear with me one more minute, guys, please. One last minute. I'm going to give you one last chance. If you want to change your mind, Manisha, the only reason I'm giving you this chance is because I'm a very nice person. Okay? I don't want you to go back home thinking, Arey yaar, usne itni baar bola mind change karne ko. Why didn't I change my mind? I should have listened to her. What would have happened if I would have changed the number? The entire result would have changed. And oh my God, why shouldn't I change the number? I should have stuck with the first one. But the entire changing of the number became the biggest issue over there. And then you keep tossing in the bed and you don't get sleep the whole night. I want you to sleep really well. So, whatever you say now will be final. Like, I will not say anything after that. What is the number? Ladies and gentlemen, it's 28037. Okay. 28037. And Shilpa ma'am, I'm going to give you the last chance. You can take the calculator in your hand. I want you to in fact, I want you to close your eyes because I want the numbers to be absolutely random, not influenced. But audience can see. So you can hold the phone like this and add the numbers so that they can see, but you can't. Yeah, go ahead. As many as you want. You can add more. They're going well. They're going well. It's on the keypad. That's a little too many. You can stop. That's 6 digit already. Okay. Can you open your eyes? Do you want to read out the numbers for them?
918875.
That's 6 digits, guys. 918875. 918875. 6 digits. Okay. On my count of 3, did you guys add it? 918875? Okay, now on my count of 3, everybody presses the equals to button. Okay, Anita, you already did it. You should listen to me. That's fine. On my count of 3, 1, 2, 3, now. Does everybody get 9,61,401? It's fine, guys. Can you read out the number again? That's 9.
61.
61.
401.
401. Shilpa, is it any way possible I could have known the result?
Yeah, you had.
Arey Baba. Is it any way possible I could have known what numbers they are going to give and what number we are going to end up with? No, right?
Definitely not.
You don't trust me, right?
No, I trust you. Now I trust you.
Thanks. After Antarctica, you trust me.
Yes.
That's what I like to do the most, to make people believe in the impossible. You guys gave all the numbers. I did not add a single number to the calculation. Even if one number would have been different, the entire calculation would have been different. Manisha ma'am, whatever numbers you said, I don't remember. It is there. 2807037. If you would have changed even one number, the result would have been different. But there's something happened before you walked up on stage. There's something that I gave in the audience. Certification. Swati ma'am, you have a certificate. Mata Rani is cool now. You can walk up on stage. I want you to come on stage with a certification, with a paper roll. Can you have a round of applause as she joins me on stage? Okay. Swati ma'am, will you be surprised if it's the same number? Say yes. Say yes.
I won't be surprised.
अरे यार पूरा शो वापस करना पड़ेगा. Okay, let's open that up. Let's open that up. Open up. No, you open. I don't open. You can free up your hand. You can put that into your pocket. I don't need that. I trust you. अब है ना? You can put that into your pocket. I want your hands to be free. I don't need that anymore. उधर मत रखो, अपने पास रखो. फिर ये लोग मेरे पे डाउट करते हैं. को इनको भरोसा नहीं उनको मेरे पे. That's fine. This, ladies and gentlemen, is 9. क्या disappoint हो रहे हो तुम लोग? Also, guys, maintain your character. I am a magician. I do impossible things. You are audience. You go crazy. Maintain your character till the end of my performance, okay? This is 9, 6, 1, 4, 0, 1. Ladies and gentlemen! Thank you so much. Thank you, Swati. Thank you, Shilpa. That's so sweet. Thank you for... Round of applause for Shilpa and Swati, everybody. Thank you so much. Let's take it with you. Thank you so much. And thank you, Vicky Flo Bangalore, for being such an outstanding audience. I love you all. Absolutely stunning. I always say this. For people who are leaving, I would request you to stay back for 2 minutes because I have a surprise for you guys. You guys gave all the numbers. You guys gave all the numbers. I did not make a single decision. And if one number would have different, if Manisha would have changed 28037 to 28038, the entire result would have changed. But thank you for maintaining that, Manisha. You saved the act. And thank you everybody for giving those numbers. The result came out as 9,61,401. And this was the number I had already written on a piece of paper, rolled it up and given to Swati in between the show. But Swati, where's Swati? Where's she gone? Swati, you know what's even more surprising than that? What's even more surprising is that every note is unique because it has a unique serial number. No two banknotes can have the same serial number. Join me on stage, join me on stage. Now, everybody, first of all, we actually threw a paper ball so that you guys don't feel that somebody just randomly walked up or I chose somebody. So it could have been anybody. Also, let's not forget, अंदर 500 रुपए की गड्डी पड़ी है. अभी नहीं ले, पर मुझे पता है पड़ी और उसमें से कोई भी एक note. She could have brought out any one note out of those gaddi. ठीक है, I'm not numbering them. And a question to you, if you remember, did I even touch the note?
No.
You fold it, you placed it inside, and we sealed it. Correct? Can you open it up? And it's a transparent envelope. You can show it to them. It's a transparent envelope.
It was full time with me.
Yes, and in your nicest, clearest voice, can you read out the serial number of the note?
Oh my God. 9, 6, 1, 4, 0, 1.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Swati. ले लो यार, आपके ही है. And thank you, everybody. You guys have been a lovely audience. Swati, make sure you show the note around to everybody. Thank you so much for having me today and giving me the opportunity of entertaining you guys. Trust me, today I feel it's my privilege. standing over here, entertaining such amazing women out there. And when I say this, I never say it as the joke. I always say this when people ask me, Suhani, how do you read minds? And I say, I cannot read anyone's mind. That's not possible. The only one magician in my life has always been my mother, because I feel mothers always know how to read minds. So I feel women are the OG, the real mind readers. I'm not saying this because just you guys are here, but I truly believe in that. And performing for all these amazing mind readers out here, I feel absolutely honored. My name is Suhani Shah, and I wish all of you many more magical moments in life. Thank you. Namaste. Good night from me.
Okay, thank you so much, Suhani. I think everyone was truly mind blown, and that's why they're heading off to the high tea. But ladies, if you could just hold on for a bit. Anyways, thank you so much. I think many a times my jaws dropped so many times, and ladies, if you find my jaw, please return it to me. But it was amazing, and I think all of us are truly wondering how to decode your mind to understand how you do what you do. So thank you so much.